Well, good Thursday morning, amazing internet people, YouTubers. Hope you guys had an awesome day yesterday and hope you crushed it. Hope you crushed that record button and did you some YouTube videos. I wanted to talk a little more about something we spoke about yesterday. Are you 40s, 50s, 60s, and you want to get on YouTube, but you don't want to show your face? Well, I think I have a solution for you that you're gonna like. And we've touched on it a little bit yesterday, so let's kind of get into it again, because I played around with it a little bit more. And it's the Hedra.com. That's Hedra.com. It is a new AI website that they have put up. Let's see, I guess it was last month. It's still in beta. It's literally been up for, I don't know, 60 days max. And the way this particular AI works is you can give it a prompt, a script. You can actually give it a prompt to how you want an avatar to be created, or you can use a picture of yourself. So let's say you give it your script. Let's say you upload a picture of yourself. You hit generate video. It then takes your picture and animates it and then speaks the script that you inputted. It's amazing. I played around with it a little bit more yesterday and last night, and a buddy of mine did as well. And he created a video where he uploaded a picture of himself and then had a little short blurb. It's amazing. I mean, if you're somebody who wants to get on YouTube and you want to start a channel for whatever reason it is, it doesn't matter what niche you want to go into, it doesn't matter what you want to say, but you want to get on YouTube and you don't want to show your face. This is a common thing that I see people talking about in the different forums I'm a part of, is that they want to do it, but they just don't want to be on camera. It makes them too nervous. They have too much anxiety, and they would just rather not actually, be on camera recording themselves. This eliminates that completely, because you can actually use a recording of your own voice as well as your own script. Then you can upload your own picture. So technically you are on camera, but you're not actually recording yourself like this, which I think will reduce the anxiety for a lot of people. But let's say you don't even want your picture. That's totally fine. You can give it a prompt to generate a AI created avatar, and you can almost create anything you want. Like somebody created a Mr. Potato Head and it had a talking face. I mean, it's not that you want to do that, but I'm just saying that you can almost pretty much do anything you want. But it allows you to express yourself, tell your story, and not show your face on camera. You can record your voice actually in the application, so you don't have to use like a second, mic or anything like that. You can literally just go to the website. If you have a mic on your computer already, you hit record and you record your voice. It saves it. Then you tell it what kind of avatar you want created. It creates the avatar. And of course, you've already written in your script that you want your avatar to say. So it's your voice, your words, with a computer generated avatar that's speaking. And that is going to completely eliminate a lot of people's anxiety and camera shyness. I think it's amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. I was actually chatting with the developer last night on their Discord channel, and it's actually really cool that they are that involved in their Discord and actually chatting with and talking to people who are using their software. I've joined other Discord channels. I've had other software applications that I'm part of their channels in Discord, and I have not talked to anybody like that that's of that level in the company. And I think it's really amazing. It just goes to show you, to me, it's a testament to how they really want this to be a cutting edge, usable platform. His first question to me last night was, do you have any feature requests? And I was like, well, no, not yet. I haven't, really dived in deep. I've just been kind of playing around with it. And I showed him some of the avatars I created, and he was impressed because he's like, wow, that actually came out pretty good. Because one of them was, I took my gaming channel logo. It's just a static logo. And it's of a, fictional character, Ghost of Modern Warfare 3, because he's my favorite operator skin. And I uploaded the image, I put in a script I wanted it to say, and generated a video, and it brought the logo to life. It was just amazing, absolutely amazing. He was impressed. He was like, wow, that worked much better than I would have thought. And yeah, me too. But he really wants people to use the product, and they're actually giving quite a bit away for free. You can do 5 videos a day. The videos can be up to 30 seconds long, and they give you a pretty good selection of AI voices if you don't want to use your own. But the free version, he told me too, he's like, yeah, you can use the recordings. So I'm not really sure what just happened. Sorry that cut off. My recording stopped randomly, so kind of weird. That's the first technical glitch I've had so far these morning minutes. But this Hedra, it's actually pronounced Hedra, is my understanding. But they are extremely involved. They want you to use it. The free version gives you lots of capabilities. And 5 videos a day of 30 seconds long, that's actually quite a bit. And my intent with this is I'm going to start using it, I think, to create some shorts for another channel I have. And I can use that gaming logo animation as kind of not an intro, so to speak, because it's not really an intro, but I can use it in my game streams or on my, my TikTok that I have for my gaming or whatever the case may be. It's pretty cool. So don't worry about it if you don't want to show your face. There's so many ways around it. Hit me up in the comments. I'll give you some tips and tricks and some other software. If you don't want to use that software, there are other softwares you can use where you can still tell your story with your own words, with your own voice, and just not show your face on camera. You can monetize a faceless YouTube channel. So don't let anybody tell you that you cannot, because you can. And in addition to, AdSense monetization, you can still do, affiliate marketing. So you have other avenues of monetization other than just AdSense. So again, I'm going to put links in the comments, or in the description, to the Hedra, and go check it out. It's pretty amazing. Wow, people really need to learn how to drive, is what I'm saying. Again. But anyways, look, it's Thursday. We only got today, tomorrow, then it's the weekend. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you crush it on your content creation. And if you have any questions or comments, hit me up. I'll be happy to get back to you. I really just want to, help those who are kind of struggling getting started, because it's not as hard as it seems, and I'll be more than happy to help. So I really appreciate all the support on the channel, and you guys have an amazing day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Talk to you later.